Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Happy Father's Day. We're down at the Baguette Cafe for Gears and Grinds, and place is pretty packed. Probably gonna head out of here early, try to get over to Verve Church, go hit that, and then see if we got enough time, make it down to Boulder City, you know, just out and about. Yep, got the Brickyard 350Z, still in supercharged. 6-speed manual, yeah, and pulled it over here next to the other Z's. Yeah, pretty good turnout. I gotta stay away from the music over there once again, but nice little lineup of Z's. There's a couple other 350s that pulled in. Try to get those too, but want to hang up by the front over there, but try to stay away from the music so we can get Houston pulling out. He brought the Koenigsegg again. And almost forgot, I shouldn't be shooting towards the sun, so we'll just try to hit these little rows real quick. Yeah, so big turnout, Corvette row bleeding over into the other parking lot, but I
had the racing flicks from the car when they told me.
Just run you through what we can over here. Still getting a lay of the land, because a little mix of everything here. Not very many like rat rods and stuff, but most of the JDM is all down in this area. I mean, look at the S2000s. Again, shoot away from the sun. And I've also noticed like some of the C5s and C6s, you know, are down in this area. So let's look for Judy, you know, some of the S-Class. And then again, you know, got just Porsche row. So like I said, I'm still trying to figure out what the kind of where everybody kind of congregates, but I got some sponsors out here. IMC Motorsports, they're out, Barrett Jackson, but you know, I was looking forward to them being here, but as far as I can tell, they're not doing anything. They're giving out like some stickers and some other stuff, but no giveaways for VIP passes, no discounts on tickets, pretty much nothing. So look at this thing though. Woo. Man. Just a little bit of everything, everywhere. Check this out. Yeah, I met some new people today, boy. They were really jonesing over this thing. And I thought minus the front rally lights that we had seen that before. I thought it was that Celebrity, but getting up on it now, it actually does not look that familiar. So all right, well, I want to hit this front row over here definitely before Houston takes off. I was chatting with him, things sound good. Opening up a couple more Houston's hot chicken locations. Rentals, he said, was going pretty good, so it's good to hear.
Right now, he'd rather
we had a lot of fun on that rally.
take it to the shop over there.
Yeah, shiny parts. Yeah. Talking about this Prowler, I mean, it's too bad they were just so underpowered. And there you go, there's my favorite. It's Jerry, I think his name is. And then we got Tom. He's got his new car. Still with the yeah, look at these vents, man. So great. I don't know which one. Go for that. Or do you go for that? Yeah, I go for the 458 Pisa. All right, and you got plenty of video before, but we'll go here with the Koenigsegg. See, Tom, every time you think you got a nice car,
There's some guy with a nicer one
somebody
parking
goes right next to you. I know. Oh, is that yours?
Yeah.
I didn't even
It's
see
like you're
it
in
there.
Central Pay. You just bought your brand new yacht. And this other guy comes up and he's way up bigger than you.
Yeah.
You know, shit.
And of course,
my boat looks small.
And then Houston's always got to pull in with the child seat.
My dick is small.
With the child seat. Well, you had that problem to begin with, so that and the. Oh yeah, there is a Ferrari. There is a Ferrari next to it. I didn't. I didn't even see it. Look at that! I didn't even.
Your eyes went
I didn't even notice there. That's a. Is that an F7 or an F8? Did you get the F8 or did you?
No, I got the F7, but I put the sticker.
You put the F8 badge on it.
Yeah.
Okay, it's only got the one. And that's the little wheel pinstriping you get at Pep Boys, right? Okay.
No, I get a Target.
Target. The little vinyl pinstripe. How many miles you got now? You had 370 before. What are you up to now? 500?
Yeah.
You better. You better.
500 in 1 month.
You better stop. That thing's not going to be worth anything.
Yeah. Well, I don't care.
Ah, Tom is such a crack up, man. Yeah. Oh, I gotta watch the music too. Alright. Tokens out. Let's see what else we got out here. Yeah, we got some stuff that rolled in, so yeah, hopefully it's a nice Ferrari. This guy's parking in a handicap. Well, he's got his placard, so okay. I'll give it to him. I've seen this car before. This BMW's out here. Euro Squad row. Alright. And then there's a little vendor section. I got some Hot Wheels and different things. So I'll probably break this for now, get some photos, and then we'll get Houston when he fires the car up, because he said he was going to be taking off here pretty soon. So take it from there. So, all right, well, you know, we'll be back. Stay tuned. Houston, see ya.
All right, guys. Crazy.
that's Gears and Grinds for Father's Day. We're going to head over to Verve Church next because it's only about 10 o'clock right now, so got another hour and a half or so of that. So we're going to roll out, go see what's going on over there. So see you on the next one.